Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting the only way hard reset now. Keep the lid open and both AirPods in the case. First, make sure battery levels are above 20% so the process won't fail. Next, on your phone or computer, turn Bluetooth off or choose Forget this device to remove pairing. This clears active connections. Once done, leave the case lid open and locate the setup button on the back. We'll use that for the full reset. Now press and hold the setup button on the back of the case. Count to 15 seconds and watch the front LED. You'll see an amber flash. Keep holding through that transition until the LED turns solid white, which signals a successful factory reset. The reason we hold through amber is it forces internal controllers to clear stored pairings and settings. Make sure your phone is nearby for immediate reconnection, but do not attempt to pair until the LED confirms white. Finish by closing the lid for 5 seconds and reopening it to enter pairing mode. Bring your device within 2 to 3 feet. Once the setup animation appears on screen, follow prompts to reconnect. This restores default settings and fresh Bluetooth profiles. If the setup animation does not appear, that indicates the reset didn't complete. Make sure the case has charge, wait 10 minutes, then repeat the 15-second press sequence. That retry fixes most issues without further steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.